ganda naman rin, ma'am. Ma'am, good evening po.
Yes, good evening.
And you are our representative for Mrs. Universe. Tama po ba?
Yes.
Okay, and can you tell us a little bit about yourself while you have this very huge platform before you?
I am your representative from Mindanao for Mrs. Universe Philippines 2024, this coming August 24, 2024. Please support Mrs. Universe Philippines Foundation. Thank you and good evening. Yeah, later, i-inform lang namin maybe for the page of our Icon Elite, the votation for the Mrs. Universe. Thank you.
Ma'am, we would like to ask, ano po yung advocacy niyo as Mrs. Universe?
Well, my advocacy really is to educate people about health because many people nowadays die not because of their sickness but because of ignorance.
I see. So it's a topic that we are all should be invested in. Tama po ba?
Of course, because health is the greatest wealth.
And what age group would be your focus for this advocacy?
Yeah, actually, all of ages should be practice prevention because nowadays colon cancer is rapidly growing because of a very unhealthy lifestyle. Even at 3 years old, meron na po siyang colon cancer. So this advocacy really helps a lot and widen my horizon to touch people's lives, not only here in Mindanao, but of course, the universe.
Well, and I? Thank
And
you.
I thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan naman natin. Ma'am, you cannot leave the stage without making one rampa. Palakpakan, please!